But if Dyema said that to me,
understand.
but Dyema just confirmed that she said to me.
But that alone, me a talk about, me say, you tell me Spice.
And me send Spice at the voice note there.
And Dyema tell you everything.
Listen, when me go back hotel, listen now. When me go back hotel, Rose, everything what happen at Hakim. I mean get the voice note, me say Spice, bumbo clock, listen here. The woman came back me name,
and the voice note me a talk about Dyema. Me know you get the voice note. Spice, come up here and make it seem like Hakim send him the voice note. Me pass
Me
the
never
voice
said that.
note
I did not
story.
say that. I said, how did it reach back to me? Me never said that.
Then you started cursing Hakim, so then everyone is insinuating that Hakim is the one that sent it to you.
How the fuck Hakim should have said it to nobody at all, Munchie?
No. Rosealee voice noted Hakim go back to them, forward back the voice note to them. I must say they cuss her, they ask her. Dyema sent it to Spice.
But when you talk about it, Hakim sharing the voice note.
Begging fuck, and but not beg me fuck. Outside of the voice note, everything that has been said, Spice, where you tell me say all of this come from? So between Hakim and Dyema, you tell me say call you per phone.
Okay, Spice, you see, this is what I'm
trying to understand Munchie clear up. Clear up.
Because them have to see me and you sit down and talk.
Me and you sit down and talk what?
They never said that to you.
Girl, me they listen to other lives where you tell me for
But Munchie, you tell me about what other people are telling me what you tell me say, mother. Munchie, you ever tell me what me say? You can't tell me if I talk for Shay or anybody else. You ever talk for me.
Can I get a minute? Can I get a minute, please? All right. Munchie, basically.
What on the mother? Can
you never defend Hakim? Hakim a friend. Give me a second there.
Mother.
Hakim from nowhere.
Give me a second there. Me still want wait for when Munchie has set it clear. Cause me still now, I mean not get the part there.
No, but she
cause me mind me a mad woman.
Spice me a talk to you, no Dyema.
But Munchie I tell me other people step on live. We can't answer what other people say. We know what we know, but we are in the voice note a while ago.
No. You click your live, Spice. So if you click your live, you now go 5 seconds in and they play part of voice note or they this if you come to talk, you talk.
We play the whole voice note, Munchie. We play the whole
you play one voice note. And before me here and what you say, you tell me say what Dyema tell us. So I say, why you not come talk everything while you peace and peace.
When the man attack me and I cuss me about what me tell Rose, you know. Remember me say Spice, look here. You see why I never wait to tell Rose nothing. Listen to this. Remember me send that voice note there. Me done under the life all long attacks I me sending. When the blood clot Munchie said that me want to clarify.
Munchie, the fuck of the matter when you try.
You send when you come up here from yourself.
Munchie, the fuck of the matter when you talk about.
Me never afraid to see me send voice note. You go and no girl.
But nobody never see us. And you're afraid for nobody.
I miss send Spice.
Dyema, because when you call me per phone and I see your energy, you don't see your energy stay. So
what
you come out with
you call me as a Spice.
Never see me talk like you can't.
Everybody will try understand where you try clear up. Everybody will try understand where you try clear up. Because me can't talk for Shay, whatever Shay said.
Stop going like you have no sense. Stop going like you have no sense. You click your live. If you click your live, you talk when you talk. The girl on corner and this and that. Dyema don't come talk what she have to talk already. So when you click your live for and come and dance and a pussyfoot around people. Me say if you come to talk, you need to talk.
I want to hear what she has said. I want to hear what you say. Because you have to tell me no like you want to talk about.
We can't buy the Spice. We can't buy the Spice. We can't buy the
Hold on, mother.
At the end of the day, you can't come for your live when you want to come for your live. I want to put it on now.
Me not understand what Munchie say. Me want to try understand though because now you have to like.
Girl, you understand. You understand. You understand.
You understand me.
At the end of the day, Dyema, at the end of the day, the voice note came from someone.
Yeah, I mean, the person who come from.
Where we going in there? Speaking about one situation that me
mother, listen now. Munchie and mother. On the top grow on the blood clot bush now. Another Spicy, another Munchie attack. Spicy. You know what I'm going at? Yeah, we just let it go and done.
No, go down too far.
Spicy, you want me to let it go? You know what I'm let go this tonight? Now ramp with me now. You can't mix me up, you know. Now ramp with me, I will bust it up in the night.
Dyema,
you say everything what you have to say already, Dyema. There is nothing more where you can't say.
So talk. Munchie attack. You know how Munchie attack, you know, Spice. You know how Munchie attack, you know. So
yes, I know why we are come pretend like we don't know what me are talk about. We click live and we are pussyfoot around one thing. Me know where the voice note come from. Me know the story of the voice note. So why we keep on a dwell upon the one thing? If you come to talk, you talk. And that me ask about.
Munchie, and the voice note you talk about. You're not talk about the voice note. Tell the people when you talk about clear, me could boss it. You talk. Nobody not go around me for me boss it, you know. Cause that's not true.
Me not go around them dirty water then.
Uno boss it. Uno can't go around me for me boss it. Uno can't clone me out.
Me not go around them dirty water then. Me know that for sure.
Uno can't go around me. Munchie, and the voice note you talk about.
One.
Explain to Spice what you talk about. Cause me don't want boss it, but me uno couldn't make me boss it. Uno have to talk it. Uno can't go around me tonight. Uno can't manipulate me a bumbo clad.
Me attack one thing and I don't come to talk.
The thing with a dirty water, me. I don't want to boss it. So you must me head mad. If you not boss it, you boss it. I could just done it.
At the end of the day, mother, me I say which part of the road come from. Me I say what the real snake run Rosealee. Because you not paint it on everybody else. When you see me the snake, when you see Munchie the snake, when you see
nobody can see me the snake.
Alright, nobody say where you defending. If nobody not say that, then Munchie where you say.
Spice come in a blood clot chip. And that Munchie I talk about. But you know what? You not go like you can't manipulate like I mean you want to boss it. And that Munchie I talk about, you know. I mean no want go down in it, you know. Alright.
Me not say
you can't manipulate me over your bumbo clot, you know. You can't manipulate me to know some head mad. You know some head mad. Hey, I mean you want to boss it, you not to boss it. Munchie just give it talk how it go. And then we can catch up on this, so you not manipulate me.
But we know where the voice note come from. How the voice note reach back to somebody. If you're a woman sending a voice note,
Spice, and a voice note. I stop switching narrative now. Spicy bill no man. Spicy bill in the night no man. Cause nobody not playing a manipulation game for me. Nobody no want boss it on the boss it. I want to know. And a voice note them talk about. I'm missing that bumbo clot. I'm missing that. Let go that no that them talk about.
It will get silent because my mouth not open for them.
Not get silent. I ask you one question. You come up and you talk about the one voice note.
Me and Dyema
that's all you quick life to talk about. And
me and Dyema discuss things, Munchie. What else you want me to answer? Me and Dyema have discussion. And most of them is because of concern for Rosealee. So me and Dyema have discussion.
Spice, come here. Now bother with the 12 subject, but me pussy hole tonight, you know. Yeah? And I don't have no discussion, you know. Make Munchie tell you why I talk about. Because I don't manipulate me post to boss it. Make Munchie tell you that I don't know discussion and that Munchie I talk about. It's not that Munchie talking about mother and that Munchie I talk about. And I don't know if you know no bumbo advice note. Mother you know too. Mother you know.
Okay, now, you know. Listen,
I can't manipulate me. Because of that, you know the big one, you know. And I'm not going to make a trip tonight, you know.
Hold on a second there. Hold on 1 minute there. What did these things? Because, damn. No, me have Spice.
A Spice quick live. I come and ask. A voice note, we come up here and talk about.
But my address, so I want address Munchie.
But you talk about easy time and my pressure. We don't mark already have your mark.
What you want, Munchie, I'm asking, Munchie, I ask you, what you want clarify? Because what I wanted to clarify is that Akeem is a snake and Akeem sit down and watch Rosealee and our people and bring down everybody else knowing say him a the snake.
Me
in
that
same voice was like
that. Akeem and a friend. Me not care about Akeem.
So where you want this go? Alright, me clear up and me want clear up. You come up to clear up something. What exactly you
no,
want
me not come to clear nothing. Me come because you are called my name. You call Toto name. You say what down the hypocrite. So me I try to figure out how is it that you say one thing to me, but now upon the live, everything I get through up on one.
Did I say you was a hypocrite?
Did I say you was a friend?
Did I say you was
a well, did friend?
Munchie, I did not call your name. Even when mother come up, mother said I'm
yes,
not going
you did.
to say
I've been on the live since you started.
What did I say about Munchie?
You said people say Munchie are the hypocrite, me are the hypocrite, as in you are the hypocrite, and Dyema are the hypocrite. So me I ask you, Spice, where all of this is coming from?
Where all of what exactly? Because Dyema just said she said in the voice note. What exactly?
Spice, we all know that Dyema send the bumbo club voice note. Why we are repeating yourself and I go back and forth?
Munchie, you know, say nobody now cuss up and I go like you. I'm a thing that sometimes
because me ignorant, everybody have this one.
Yeah, I'm a thing you need to calm down so we can understand.